Welcome guys to another video. So yes, it's another cooking video, and today we're doing curry goat. I think I'm gonna pair it with some white rice. So curry goat, typically, because we're dealing with Christmas right now, we can eat this anytime. So if we're gonna have this for Christmas dinner with other meat, so we just do curry. So I'm going to I have on my gloves. Obviously it's clean, because it's curry and I don't want to mess up my nails. Yeah, so I'm gonna put some curry I have on the plate, some pimento seed, ground ginger, thyme leaf, black pepper, and I'm gonna just mix it in. Also, we can add scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, onion, bell peppers. We're gonna add more curry to it. Yeah, so I'm gonna add more curry to it. So I have some cut onions, bell peppers, and so forth. I'm gonna add scallion and scotch bonnet pepper after this again, because I'm gonna separate the onions and stuff. So I'm just marinating it right now. Right? I'm gonna remove my gloves for a little. Here. So I'm gonna put in some more curry powder. I'm gonna add some turmeric powder as well, and some all-purpose seasoning on it for more flavor. You can add whatever seasoning you wish for your preference. So again, so this is, you can do it for your preference. Any amount of seasoning that you want to add to this. It's gonna make me sneeze. Oh my god. So guys, I wash the goat meat with vinegar and water. You also could wash it with lemon too, or lime. This is how I do it in my home. Again, I'm not a professional chef. I'm just showing you what I do in my home. So normally we'll have this on a regular day, or on Christmas Day we have this oxtail chicken and other things with it, right? So give me a minute, I'm gonna show you the rest of the procedure.
I don't feel the lamps.
Okay guys, so I have the pot here with some hot oil. I'm gonna burn the curry. In Jamaica, I'm just using what I have in my house, and it's the turmeric curry powder with airy. And normally I use better pack curry. I run out, I don't have any, so I'm doing this, burning the curry, and I'm going to add my goat meat to it, which you guys could leave and marinate if you have time for at least an hour, or overnight. It will taste better, right? So this is what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna add the goat meat to it. Okay, so guys, Tariq is in the kitchen helping me. He's adding the goat meat to the pot. Just take a bunch of it. So don't drop it, Titan. He wants to learn, so just put it in. Don't drop it like that. That's one splash. Just drop it in. So what I did, guys, it's okay. So it's adding all of them. Don't drop it. You have to learn to do it properly. Just take a bunch of it, Tariq, and put it on. Put it in. Tariq is helping me here.
One more last couple things. That's the last one.
That's it, guys. So this is the goat meat. One of my co-workers actually requested to do it. And you guys could check how we raw cook. It's Empress Marcy second channel, and she did this for So this is how I do it. So Ty is here helping me out. What do you think, Ty?
I think it's pretty early.
Okay, so you're gonna let this cook, guys, because mainly it's bone, so maybe a good hour and a half or so, or you could put it in your pressure cooker, right? So that's it. Bones. So we're gonna have it here cook. I'm gonna add some hot water and so forth. So I'll show you some more, right? This a bone. It's a pressure cooker. So let's say. As you can see, it's basically bone, so I make sure that the meat on it is cooked to tender, so around an hour and a half, or if you're using a pressure cooker, it will be much faster. Okay, so here I have some Irish potatoes, scotch, bonnet pepper, bell peppers. If you have scallion, thyme, I had some thyme leaf on it, fermented seed. Again, I'm gonna leave it for like another 20 minutes. And throughout the process of an hour, I add hot water to it to make sure that the meat is cooked. So you can taste it and make sure the meat is cooked to tender or to your liking. So you taste it, you can add salt to it, and all to make sure that it has taste and it's not too fresh after you add your water to cook it down, right? So that's it. So I'm gonna leave it for another 15 to 20 minutes to cook the Irish, and obviously the season is going to also be cooked. So there you have it. I'm gonna cook it down. Okay guys, this is a finished product of the curry goat. So the curry goat obviously is here, and we have here some avocado. My sister is gonna get this. She's a lover of avocado, white rice with some salad. So this is my final product of my curry goat, and this is the way I do it in my home, right? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to The Life of Cleo. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back, and have a blessed and wonderful day.